As we get started on today's content, I want you to first think about something that you accomplished, a goal that you set for yourself, that you hit it, you succeeded, because I believe that sets the stage for your entire day. I listen to Grant Cardone and some other speakers out there, and they always say start your day with a success, and that'll set the stage for your entire day. So do that. And what we're going to be talking about today are the 7 best issues for taking Amazon to arbitration. And we're going to break this up into several videos, the 7 best issues to take Amazon for arbitration. And I'm going to list them first, and then we're going to get into each one separately, so I'm not burying you in content all at once. And if you have any questions about any of the 7 best issues to take Amazon to arbitration, scroll down and leave a question. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And you also need to know who runs our arbitration practice against Amazon. This is Rob Siegel. He is my partner, and he is just an incredible lawyer and an incredible friend. And here is his right hand, Ashley Tapinto, who is also an outrageously remarkable person, a professional, a paralegal, and I'm so blessed to count these people among my colleagues and my friends over the years that we've been working together. So here are the top 7 best issues where if you can't resolve it, you take Amazon to arbitration and you take the decision making right out of Amazon's hands. Number 1, lost, quote unquote destroyed, or quote unquote disposed inventory. Why am I putting it in quotes? Because Amazon does not actually destroy much inventory from what we've learned. They sell it. They sell it themselves. They sell through their liquidation arms. So destroyed inventory, and the same thing with disposed inventory. I can't tell you how many sellers that we speak to every single month where Amazon has claimed to dispose of their inventory, but they're disposing of it by selling it in the marketplace and even on Amazon.com. Second best issue to take Amazon to arbitration, withheld funds when your products were 100% not counterfeit. So if Amazon thinks it can keep your money from you, steal your money, and you weren't selling counterfeit items, that's a great issue to take Amazon to arbitration over. Number 3, when your listings get hijacked, and that causes an account suspension and the loss of sales. Often by taking Amazon to arbitration, you're taking your issue and taking it outside of one team and giving it to a much higher level team, Amazon's outside counsel and the teams that Amazon's outside counsel works with. So if your listing's been hijacked and you can't resolve it, those are great cases to take Amazon to arbitration. Number 4, hacked accounts. Hacked accounts where your bank was changed and your money got sent someplace else. If you have brand registry and someone hacked into it and changed your listings or is really stealing your intellectual property, these are great cases to take Amazon to arbitration. Number 5, vendor central disputes. We learned a tremendous amount about Amazon refusing to pay for inventory, yet continuously ordering it. And you as an Amazon vendor, you think, oh my God, it's Amazon. Of course they're going to eventually pay you, but sometimes they don't. So if Amazon owes you tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, we even had a case where Amazon owed $2 million. So if you're an Amazon vendor and Amazon has refused to pay for your goods and yet continue to sell them, those are good cases to take Amazon to arbitration. Number 6, if Amazon's teams have just simply made the wrong decisions on your plans of action, if they should have reinstated you, your invoices were great, you weren't violating anyone's IP rights. If Amazon staff in India, in Bangalore or Hyderabad or Costa Rica or Ireland simply made bad decisions, then filing for arbitration is a pretty good mechanism because again, you're going to get another set of eyes, 2 very high-end teams at Amazon to look at your issues. Number 7, you have documented your problems with Amazon over and over and over again, and they're simply not reading arguments that are valid. So these are the top 7 issues that are just great to take Amazon to arbitration. If you're right and Amazon is clearly wrong, then it might be worth your time and your money to take the decision making out of Amazon's hands, put it into the hands of an arbitrator at the American Arbitration Association. And if you want to learn more about any or all of these top 7 issues where you consider taking Amazon to arbitration, make sure you're watching each and every one of these videos.